I asked a mechanic with 30 years of experience, which Silverado years have you seen run over 500,000 miles without braking? Only 4 made his list: 2 GMT 800s, 2 GMT 900s. And here's the best part, one of these 4 could be your Silverado. Subscribe, let's find out if you're one of the lucky ones. This mechanic? Not just anyone. 30 years, over 2,000 Silverados through his hands. When I asked about 500,000 miles, he didn't hesitate. 4 years, always the same 4. 3 other mechanics in different states told me the exact same years, independently. This isn't opinion, this is pattern. If your Silverado isn't on this list, comment with your year and mileage, and I'll tell you if you made a good choice. First year, 2003 GMT 800. 2003 with the 5.3? I've seen trucks with 550,000 miles, original engine. Why 2003 specifically? The LS1 engine was completely refined, cast iron block, forged crankshaft, fail-proof ignition. He told me about a 2003 with 510,000 miles. I opened the engine, cylinder walls still had factory honing marks, 20 years old, looked brand new inside. That's not luck, that's engineering. At auctions, 2003 GMT 800s sell for the same price as newer years with half the mileage. If you have a 2003, you have a legend. Second year, 2005 GMT 800. The best-kept secret of GMT 800s. Last year before the 6-speed, last year before AFM, it's the perfect GMT 800. Transmission 4L60E completely mature, 0 known issues. 5.3 engine without active fuel management, no complications. The mechanic showed me records. 3 customers with 2005 over 400,000 miles, none did engine or transmission rebuilds. 400,000 miles, original engine and transmission. And 2005 costs less than newer years because people don't know, but mechanics, they know. Now the GMT 900s. 6-speed transmission changed the game completely, but only 2 GMT 900 years proved to be as indestructible. Third year, 2009 GMT 900. All 4 mechanics I interviewed mentioned this one. If I had to pick one GMT 900 to run 600,000 miles, 2009. The 6L80 transmission received its 3rd major calibration update that year, all bugs fixed. In 30 years, he's rebuilt maybe 10 2009 transmissions out of hundreds. Failure rate, less than 3%. He told me about a 2009 that tows a trailer every single day. 520,000 miles, tows 11,000 pounds, transmission never opened. If you want GMT 900 with guaranteed extreme mileage, 2009. Fourth year, 2013 GMT 900, the last GMT 900 year, the absolute peak. 2013 is when GM put together everything they learned over 6 years. Final transmission software, most refined possible. Cooling system optimized to the extreme. Another mechanic told me, I've seen 2013 with 430,000 miles, engine running like 90,000. The last is always the best. 2013 proved it. 4 years proven to run over 500,000 miles without braking. 2003 GMT 800, 2005 GMT 800, 2009 GMT 900, 2013 GMT 900. If your Silverado is one of these, you're one of the lucky ones. You have a truck proven by time and extreme mileage. Take care of it. It'll take you beyond 600,000. If your year is not on this list, doesn't mean your truck is bad, just means you need to be more attentive with maintenance. Comment below with your Silverado year and mileage, and I'll tell you if you made a good choice. This took months to gather, 4 mechanics interviewed, hundreds of hours researching. If this helped you, like this video, share it with someone who has a Silverado. Subscribe for more Silverado information you won't find anywhere else. Next video, I asked a transmission specialist which year never needs a rebuild. His answer is surprising. See you there, Silverado family.